Start na!
Raise the Rubik's pagkatapos po.
Oh. Kahit i-raise yun na lang. O kaya, yan. Erase lang, taas lang. Go. Do it. Do it subconsciously. You're great. You're powerful. You're blessed.
Galing talaga.
Share the greatness. Share the greatness. Go. Yes. Huwag titigil ha. Kahit may matapos na, huwag titigil. Go. Titignan ko yung time ninyong lahat. Yeah, naka-webs. Okay, first.
Okay, first, Pastor Ryan, 44 seconds and 74 milliseconds.
Okay, next.
Okay, si Kuya Jim po ay 51 seconds.
Okay, very good. Hintay lang si Danica. Sige lang, go.
Wala bang...
Sige lang, Danica. Take your time. You're great. You're great. Don't think us. Okay, go. Okay, very good.
Anong pattern?
Wala pong practice yan, ha? Wala pong practice yan.
Hindi
This is
nagpapaano.
school.
Subconscious lang yan.
Si Danica Sismaet is first batch. She's part of the first
Gulo
batch.
niya daw.
Okay? Okay, tuloy muna natin. Yan. Okay. Tuloy natin. Okay.
Blindfolded na.
Sige, titigil nyo na muna. Now, put your blindfold so that you can be relaxed. Go. Okay. Time.
153.
1 minute and 55 seconds.